Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8th chemistry chapter Oxygen part 11. And our topic is uses of oxygen. So first uses of oxygen is general uses. Third uses of oxygen is industrial uses. And second uses is uses of oxygen in medicine. So first in general uses, first is natural respiration. In natural respiration, oxygen present in atmosphere is a life-supporting gas used by all living organisms. Second is artificial respiration. Artificial respiration. Third is third uses is combustion. In artificial respiration, oxygen masks are used by firemen, miners, astronauts and deep sea divers in spaces where oxygen is deficiency of oxygen, mines in high altitudes. Third is combustion. Oxygen is necessary for burning of the fuels. Fourth is fuel. Liquid oxygen is used as rocket fuel or propellant as there is no air or oxygen in outer space. Fifth is oxidizing agent. Helps in oxidation of dead plants and animals. Second, that is uses of oxygen in medicine. First is oxygen tent. Oxygen stored in cylinders is provided in respiratory tents to persons suffering from respiratory disorders like asthma. It is even used for reviving people in cases of drowning or suffocation. Second, carbogen. Oxygen is a major constituent of carbogen, 95% oxygen plus 5% carbon dioxide, given to patients in order to stimulate natural breathing. Third is anesthesia. Anesthesia. A mixture of oxygen and nitrous oxide has anesthesia properties. It finds use in dentistry. Third, industrial uses. First is for welding and cutting metals. For welding and cutting metals. An oxyhydrogen flame produces temperatures as high as 2800 degrees Celsius, while an oxyacetylene flame produces temperatures of 3300 degrees Celsius. The high temperatures provided by these flames make them useful in cutting and welding of metals. Second is in the iron and steel industry. In the iron and steel industry. The oxygen is highly efficient in removing by oxygen and escape as gases. Hence, oxygen is used for the production of pig iron and conversion of pig iron into steel. In chemical industries, it is used as an oxidizing agent in the manufacture of nitric acid from ammonia and sulfuric acid from sulfur dioxide. In chemical industries. I hope you have understood this whole part, and here at this point we'll end this chapter, oxygen. This was the last part of this chapter, and I hope you have understood this part and the whole chapter. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.